Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this particular video, so we are going to discuss and try to create a charting scanner, which helps to find out a chart which forming a such a pattern like wick reversal on Camarilla monthly support level. So by using this particular scanners, we are going to find out such a pattern which forms on any stock. So that will be going to find out, the scanner will help you to find out those stocks, and maybe the reversal at the bottom level after the stock is falling down, and maybe it's taken a support at a Camarilla monthly support level, and such a pattern which forms in any stock. By using this scanner, we will be able to find out. So I'm just going to create you the scanner, and let you check this. A stock, the price of this particular stock, it is keep on moving lower, and maybe this is an S4 of Camarilla, and I'm using a Camarilla pivot point. So that helps us to find out as a support level S4 or L4. Okay, so both are same, L4, and stock with the huge wick which is happening at a rejection on the low level. So maybe the chances after this downtrend, there is a possibilities of a trend reversal, or maybe it is going to continue the trend. But probability of this particular pattern which happen at the support level, maybe a trend reversal would be possible on this. What are the factors which I'm just going to discuss with this, are things which you are going to find out with this particular scanner. Already we made some custom scanners to find out such a candle. Okay, so yesterday's videos we are looking out a stock which forming a reversal at the top level, like huge rejection on R4 level and forming a pattern like this, or a hammer or shooting star. So maybe after an uptrend, if there is a chances is happening, there maybe a trend reversal. Same like that, the opposite one which we are looking at in the bottom. So after forming a such a pattern, so there is a chances of moving the trend reversal at the support level, so which we are going to try with this scanner. Already we had made this candle finder scanner with charting, and now we are combining so this one into Camarilla. So like this kind of pattern which forms on any kind of stocks by using the scanner. By we are not providing any tips and recommendations by using this video, or even we are not providing any kind of tips and recommendation in the any form of the thing. So this video is purely for an informational and educational purpose. But if you want to access my scanner, so you can get the scanner from me. So to more detail here in this video, you can just connect me the number which shown on this WhatsApp. You can get about the scanner. So after finding out the stocks from the scanner list, you can analyze and you can do your own strategy as per your knowledge. So this is not about to any direct or indirect buy sell tips. It's only for a informational, educational and scanner purpose, where we are going to scan the stock which forming a such a pattern in any particular stocks. Okay, so this is what a pattern which I'm going to try to find out, and let me go with the charting. So already we created, and again I will be comparing the step-by-step scanners creation. So we used the scanner to find out a reversal in the chart. Okay, so that is the main thing which I'm going to play with. So normally two variables which we can compare with charting. By using custom indicator, you can compare many variables. So initial step of the first candle should be, that particular day candle should be on green. So that means the open of that particular is less than, or close must be greater than. That will fetch you stocks which is forming a positive close today, this particular line. In the second line, we are comparing the lower wick, so from the open and the low. So it is, we are going to compare with four variables. So open from the low, that would be greater than the number. So what we are using this number is to finding out the wick size. Okay, so we are using a multiplied by a number 2.5 times, means the body of the candle comparing with the body of that particular candle, and the wick should be more than 2.5 times. If that body is 10 rupees gap between open and close, and the wick should be more than 25 rupees. That is the logic which we have created here. And one more time, so body we compared, and high. The second one is higher wick, so the upside wick from the close and the highest level. So we are going to find out that should be less, okay, or else it will be like a spinning top, or use high wave candle like higher side, lower side, both the side rejection kind of things which can be happen. So here is this logic which we are going to add it here, okay, by the multiplied by the number 0.25. So this simply fetch you the stock which forming kind of pattern. So you can backtest how that works. Okay, so let me try for one more thing. So the range of the candle should be higher level in the average 50 days range. Okay, so that we can use with the I minus low into whatever the number, how many days we are going to compare, so that you can use it. So that particular there is no stocks today. So if you are if you are scanning any scanners, the result would be filtered here, and after saving the scan you may be able to see the fast performance, or not about a fast performance, it's about a previous data, the scanned stocks, or which stocks forming such a pattern. So we are using and creating with the non-repaint scanners. Means some of the scanners it will not repaint because of the condition. It may be remove the stocks after it may certain point, or if it is not reaching that particular condition. Initially it's satisfied, and after sometimes later it may not be satisfied. So simply if I'm telling you how the scanners are sometimes it repaint because of the condition which you have created. So for example, if I'm just creating a scanner with the day low, okay, so for example day low is less than 100, okay, sorry, day low greater than 100 if any stocks. So the condition is day low greater than 100 rupees. This is the condition. So today's stock which forms a low of 101. So this is happening till 11:30 for an example. So morning it started by 105 rupees and it is trading 102 or 103 up to make after making a low of 101. So this condition is satisfied. Okay, the day low is greater than 100. So after around 12 o'clock, if the day low, the stock breaks the low by 99, and after that it triggered trading around 102. Okay, so you can look at this condition, it not satisfied at this point. So till the stock would be shown on this particular scanner results till 11:30, but suddenly after 11:30 after 12 o'clock, because it is breaks the low of 100, so it will be not in the scanner. So that is called a repaint, and many of the scanners because of this kind of conditions, so it may be repaint. So while creating the condition, we should be very careful whether it is repaint. So because some of the scanners, if you are looking at it, maybe looks very good results, but if you are analyzing in live market, that will you will understood whether it is repaint or not. So that we have in mind. So we are not creating such a kind of scanners. So we are creating this is on a daily basis. At the end of the day, whether it is increased or decreased, it will be exactly finding that patterns only. After that, what is happening going to happen in a stocks which is not predicting or finding out. It is a pattern which exactly forms on the particular stocks, that only it is going to filter. And then the open should be greater than. So we are using Camarilla R4, sorry, support 4. In this case, we are not using daily support. We use a monthly support. So Camarilla levels are calculated based on the previous day value. So if you want to get the values for current month, so we will use the previous month values. So that's why we are using 1 month ago Camarilla. So that will be plotting the Camarilla values for current month. Okay, so the second condition, the open as well as close of that particular stock should be greater than the R4, and the close must be less than, sorry, it is not about to close, it should be a low. So open and close low, it must be less than the Camarilla support for. So what are this all condition will exactly means? So where you can look at this particular scanners, and here the open of this candle should be greater than the R4. Okay, and close of the candle also greater than, but you look at this low is less than. So this is what a condition. This is Camarilla R4 by using a charting. So it should be a 1 month ago or 1 month prior 1 month, because this month high and low and close of those values we are deriving this levels based on the formula of Camarilla. So now we are using, so this will exactly fetch you a stock which forming a reversal pattern, and it should be rejecting at the support level. So maybe this is what an exact details about those conditions which you have created. So let me run the scan. So we don't have any stocks, and if you want to find this back test results, so you will be using this particular save the scan to find out. So here it's showing you the two different time frames, but daily and monthly, but the levels on Camarilla it will never. So I think a lot of stocks recently on yesterday, 2 days back. So these are all the stocks. You can check whether it forming a such a pattern or not. If it is yes, so you can ping me on a comment, so whether it is working or not. So I'm not going to show you the live charts here. So Can Fin Home, Bank of India, a lot of stocks which forming is such a pattern. And a few months ago, October, so there is only one stock on November 5. The name of the stock HDFC Life. So maybe it forming a such a pattern which is rejecting at the bottom. That is happening on somewhere around 5th November. So after that, you have to check whether it is continuous the trend or reverse the trend from the support level. So that is what a logic which you have created with this charting scanner. I hope you understood the concept, and I will be sharing the scanner into my premium Telegram group, so where you can access all my scanners which I have created earlier and which I am going to create in futures also. That would links of the scanners will be provided there. So minimum charges we are charging for the scanners, and you can make use of it, and I can also copy and edit, and you can also modify such as scanners any time frame. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.